What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa, back with Japan Trip Part 7. Today, we are going to the Pokemon Café in Osaka. Some tips you should know before going to the cafe. Please arrive 10 minutes before your reservations. If you are even 10 minutes late past your reservation time, it will automatically be cancelled. Believe me, this is important because they will really cancel your reservations. So go extra early.
Okay.
はい、OK です。ありがとう。こちらを10カウント OK。はい。せーの。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。OK。ありがとう。お、完成ですね。バッチリですよ。上手に釣れてます。こちらも全部入れちゃってください。オッケー、ありがとう。失礼します。こちらです。
You get a gift. Say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So, was it worth it to go eat at the Pokemon Cafe? No, I don't think so. Because booking the reservations was way too difficult. Trying to catch a good reservations time will probably mess up your travel schedule. And I'm telling you, we spent so many days to check the website every day to try to get a reservation. However, the good news is you can always just go to the cafe and visit the official Pokemon store. It's right next to each other. Also, you can buy the special Pokemon Cafe merchandise without actually eating in the cafe. All of the merchandise is available to purchase at the entrance of the cafe. Alright guys, here you go. This is the Pokemon Cafe in Japan. So right here, this is the website. I'll put the link in the description. To make reservations, you just click the reservations button and then make sure you pick Tokyo or Osaka. So we went to Osaka. And it's all Japanese right now, but it's okay. You just click the bottom, agree, go to reservation. And then you can make your reservation again right here. Pick how many people. There's a maximum of 8 people per reservation. So we had 3 people. There you go. Obviously, this is 3 for March. There is nothing. It's completely full. You see that? Full. So you go to next month. And next month is completely full all the way to the April 20th. So you see down here it says NA. These NA dates are the dates that they will release the time for you to book it. So let's say if you want this one right here, you click next step and then you pick which one you want. What you can also do is you can check these dates. So when you see the date, it says full. If you keep checking this once in a while, sometimes you may get lucky and something opens up. And if something opens up, just take it. I mean, there will be people that will cancel. It happens. Or you can keep checking for the next best opening day, which would be the 22, right? So you see right here, you check on the 22, and then you just keep checking this one. If you click next, and if it shows yellow, that means it's not ready. So everything that I'm telling you right now is from what I've experienced. So if you have a little tricks, then if you know how to do this better, or you got your own tricks, then you do it. But this is how we did it. You're probably not gonna get the time that you want. So the best bet is just to find a time that opens up. If it opens up, just take it. Pokemon Cafe is not a place that you can get a perfect time on, I'm telling you, unless you're very lucky. The Pokemon Cafe is located in this right here, Shinsai Bashi. Inside the building, it's on the 9th floor. These are just some things that you can buy at the Pokemon Cafe. I'm pretty sure a lot of people get this cup right here, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people get the plates, the play set right here. That's crazy. I should have gotten this right here. But damn, look at that price. 38,000 yen. I mean, if you convert it to USD, it's not that much, right? It's gonna probably be like $25 or something. Got the EV plate. You got the Pikachu plate. We got this right here. We bought the Pikachu chef. Oh man, this is a very nice one of Pikachu. What is it? Patisserie. Pikachu patisserie uniform. This looks nice. If you guys see this uniform right here, get this one right here. Oh, that's a nice keychain too. Look at this pink outfit. Isn't this crazy? Oh, they got a blue one. Wow. The website is showing what they have, but when you're at the actual store, sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't have it. It depends on your luck. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next episode. Have a nice day.